Hey everybody, it's Tony. I'm on the Donley Trail, the Donley Killer Trail. Look at this hill. Oh, I've got Emma with me. Take these out. I'm talking loud, aren't I? I just wanted to stop, and I was going up this hill, and I was like, you know what? When I go up a hill like this, I have to say, basically, I have to remind myself of my why. Why am I doing this? Why am I out here? My why is my son. I have to do this for my son. And really what woke me up the other day is when the doctor was talking to me right before surgery. And he said that, he goes, if you had stage 4, or if we find stage 4, that's what he told me, then we'd only give you about 60 days. And that really hit me hard, because my son was sitting right there listening to all this. But he is my why. I wake up every day and he is my why. Why am I here? I have to get healthy for him. I have to stay around for him. I have to be here for him, because you know, you guys don't know the situation. He has a dad, but we don't see him very often. He don't see him very often. So anyway, the first thought in my mind when he said that was like, oh my God, do I have everything in order? Do I have financial? Do I have everything that he's gonna need to be able to live and be okay? And that's heartbreaking. It's very heartbreaking to think that. To think that you're not gonna be here for your kids, or your kid, for my case. So you have to remind yourself every day of what your why is. Wake up thinking about your why. Wake up thinking about, why do I have to do this? So I'm going up this hill right now, and Eric Thomas says it perfectly. He says, and I repeat this people probably think I'm crazy. Because I'm actually kind of shouting it, and I only do it when I think there's nobody around. But I say I can, I will, I must. So what that means is I can lose this 60 pounds. I will lose this 60 pounds. I must lose this 60 pounds. And to me, in order to be healthy, in my case, I have to lose the 60 pounds for my health, for my son to be here. So I just wanted to pop in and tell you guys that a little bit about that. And I can, I will, I must. Look it up on YouTube. He is great. Eric Thomas. He's perfect. I mean, anyway, little Emma. Little Emma's a good girl. Yes, she is. She's a good girl. Don't you guys love their little tails? Emma. She's a baby girl. She's so pretty. She loves her walks. And this is our walk today. All the way up those mountains. We love it. Isn't it beautiful out here? I swear God lives up here. I know he does. It's so peaceful. Peaceful. Can't speak today. But I wanted to speak to those people. And the reason why I'm looking left and right, because bikes come by here like going about 110. So I don't want to get run over. But I wanted to talk to those people that are sitting on the couch right now, watching TV, you know, enjoying their time, but they're watching this video maybe later on and they're like, yeah, I would love to get out there and walk on those trails if we had trails by my house, or if we, if I could get my butt up from the couch or whatever. I challenge you. I totally challenge you. Emma! She keeps pulling me. She keeps pulling me down the mountain. I challenge you. Totally challenge you to do it. So start off slow like I did. I mean, I was sitting on the chair and I just got to the point where I was so sick and tired of being sick and tired. I know you know what I'm talking about. Sick of being tired. And it's not going to be easy the first, you know, couple of weeks. I can tell you that. I'm not going to sugarcoat it at all. But I'm not going to sugarcoat it. Because it will be hard. You'll be breathing, you'll be huffing, and you'll be puffing, and you'll be like sore to no tomorrow. But don't let that discourage you. Because I'm here to tell you, you only get stronger. And then you know what that feeling is when you get stronger? That when you wake up, you know, 2 weeks, 3 weeks from now, and you're like, oh my gosh, I'm so strong. I could go out for this walk and be no problem whatsoever. There's something to say for that, because when you get to that point, it's just so freeing. You don't feel like you're locked in your house, or you're locked on your couch and your couch doesn't have your ass. You know what I mean? It's like it's not locked there forever. You can come out of this. I was in a rut. So get out of the rut. Like me, I was in a rut. If I can do it, you can do it. There's something to say for that. Because I have done it. I'm not done yet, though. I am not finished. And please, get out and walk with me.